Welcome to my channel CAI Academy, and today we are going to deal with SA 700 and SA 706. It is seen that if any questions comes in examinations, that if the opinion is same, report is different, okay, and the examiner wants to ask you, auditor has a clean opinion or a modified opinion, and you have to answer this question as per SA 700 or SA 706, but you are confused at this time. So just clear your concept here, and so that you can answer this type of question in a very nice manner. Let's discuss it. Okay. SA 700 is the base standard, whereas SA 706 is the add-on standard. SA 700 tells how to give an opinion, whereas we can say SA 706 tells how to highlight something without changing the opinion already given. What the examiner expects from you: correct opinion you will give, correct report format, and correct placement of paragraphs. That is all dwelt with SA 700. What is SA 700? SA 700 deals with forming an opinion and reporting on financial statements. It applies when audit is completed, sufficient and appropriate audit evidence obtained, and opinion can be formed. Types of opinion under SA 700: unmodified opinion, clean opinion, and modified opinion. That is actually dwelt within SA 705. But here it is triggered because it comes under the opinion part. So just a slight discussion. Under SA 705, qualified opinion is given when misstatements are material but not pervasive, or unable to obtain evidence the auditor. Then if it is material but it isn't pervasive. And adverse opinion is given when misstatement is material but pervasive also. Financial statements do not present a true and fair view. In that case, adverse opinion is given. Disclaimer of opinion: auditor cannot obtain sufficient audit evidence and possible effects are material and pervasive. So in that case, auditor does not express an opinion. This is known as disclaimer of opinion. This all is covered under SA 705. SA 700, which we are dealing here, focuses mainly on unmodified opinion format. Clean opinion. Okay. Structure of that is very important of the audit report. Let's say first comes the title, then addressee, opinion paragraph, okay, and after that comes the basis for opinion, and if in that case key audit matters are applicable, then they will come. Management's responsibility, auditor's responsibility is a format I'm saying, and after that comes other reporting responsibilities, and at the end comes the signature, place, and date. Okay, let's take an example. Company A maintains proper books of accounts, no material misstatements, compliance with Ind AS. Auditor issues unmodified opinion under SA 700. No emphasis, no modification, clean and simple report. Okay. Now let us understand SA 706. SA 706 deals with emphasis of matter paragraph, EOM, and other matter paragraph. It is very important because opinion remains unmodified. Emphasis of matter is used when matter is already disclosed in the financial statements. Auditor wants to draw a user's attention, and matter is fundamental to understanding of the financial statements. Opinion stays the same. Okay. Company has major lawsuit disclosed in notes. Auditor says, what does it say? Without modifying our opinion, we draw attention to note X. Okay, this is an example of EOM, that is emphasis of matter under SA 706. Then we have the other matter part, paragraph, used when matter is not disclosed in the financial statements, relevant for users' understanding of the audit, and related to audit or auditor's responsibility. Example: previous year financial statements audited by another auditor. Yeah, auditor explained this via other matter. Now we can say this, we understood the what is SA 700, what is 706. Now the difference we have to know. Just to know about the topic, we have to know the difference between the two. SA 700 is a basis, okay, the basic standard, and SA 706 is the add-on standard. SA 700's main purpose is to form the opinion, whereas SA 706's main purpose is to highlight any particular matter. Opinion is given in SA 700 and opinion is not changed in SA 706. The main report is the SA 700 and additional is the SA 706. Modification is possible in SA 700 but no modification is possible under 706. Okay. So let us difference the difference between SS 700 and 706. Let me explain it to you. SS 700 deals with forming and expressing the auditor's opinion on financial statements, whereas SS 706 deals with drawing users' attention to a matter with modifying that particular audit opinion. This line only explains the difference. Now, SS 700 let me explain to you what XA 700 does. Auditor forms opinion, auditor expresses opinion, auditor issues a main audit report. Now, opinion under 700 is written in this format. In our opinion, the financial statements give a true and fair view. Okay, this is an example of SA 700. Let's see facts of a case. Let us take an example. ABC Limited, proper books maintained, India is complied, no material misstatements. Auditor's action, sufficient and appropriate audit evidence obtained. Auditor issues unmodified opinion. Reporting is done in this format. In our opinion, the financial statements give a true and fair view. Okay. This is pure SA 700. No highlighting, no warning, no modification. Now comes SA 706. Let me explain to you with an example. Okay. What SA 706 does not change the opinion, adds an additional paragraph or and tries to draw attention to an important matter, emphasis of matter. Facts, same ABC Limited, let's say the same example, facing a major lawsuit, fully disclosed in note 25 of the financial statements. Auditor's judgment matter is important for users already disclosed, okay, but does not require modification. Report under SA 706. Without modifying our opinion, we draw attention to note 25. So we say the opinion is not changed, only it is an extra paragraph is added to it. Opinion remains unmodified, extra paragraph added as per SA 706. Let us go with one situation, two standards. Best way to define the thing, okay. Same company, same audit. SA 700 auditor says, in our opinion, the financial statements given true and fair view. Opinion formed, SA is equal to SA 700. Now step 2, SA 706. Auditor adds, without modifying our opinion, we draw attention to note 25 regarding pending litigation. Attention drawn according to SA 706. Okay. Opinion paragraph is governed by SA 700, while the emphasis of matter paragraph added without changing such opinion is governed by SA 706. This sentence is gives you the full clarity of the whole topic. Okay. Now differences basis, as we have already done SA 700 and SA 706. 700 to form the and express an opinion, and in for 706 highlight the matter, similar things. Okay, it is the nature is mandatory and it is conditional if any matter exists in case of SA 706. Okay, the true and fair view is given in case of SA 700. Pending lawsuit under SA 706. So we can say writing EOM as modified opinion, mixing essay, these are the mistakes. If we do common mistakes done by children in the examinations, writing EOM as modified opinion, it's not modified, it is only adding on to the opinion already given by the auditor under SA 700. Then forgetting without modifying our opinion, we have to write this line. Always write this line that without modifying the opinion, we are adding on to this point. Drawing the attention of the users to a particular matter. SA 700 opinion backbone, SA 706 attention spotlight. So we cannot mix the two. SA 700 tells us about the report, whether it is giving a true or fair view or not. And SA 706, without changing any of the data given in the opinion, without changing the opinion, it's adding on to the point to or attracting the attention of the users of that audit to particular matters which needs attention. Okay, thank you. Hope this point is clear for you.